Here we have a 22 plate BMW M135i. Now this vehicle comes with over £3,000 worth of optional extras, all of which are listed on the website. Just to mention one there, we do have the M135i Pro package. You'll also find the LED headlights, we have the gloss black front splitter and performance kits. So as we come around to the passenger side, you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We do also have the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. The blue brake calipers behind. Colour-coded door handles, we have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass at the rear. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae and also the rear spoiler. We do also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Rear diffuser at the back looking nice and aggressive with the dual exhaust, M135i badging as well on the right. Taking a look inside the boot, just lift it open like so. You'll find we have a decent amount of space inside of here, partial shelf at the top, and as we take a closer look just inside of there, you can also see we have hooks either side and also the storage net on the right. Handle just underneath so we can pull it back down. And then back around to the driver's side now, you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Taking a look at the interior, we'll have a look inside of the back first. Inside of here you'll find the cloth seats, we have the fixed ISO points as well, the M Sport style seat belts, vents in the centre along with Type-C USB ports, electric windows on the doors along with the ambient lighting. Again at the front, the same cloth seats and also M Sport style seat belts. Both front seats are being heated. I'm just going to take a seat inside. We've got the Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows. We also have the automatic wipers just here and the automatic lights behind down there. Digital dashboard, multifunctional steering wheel. Put a foot on the brake, press the start button, vehicle starts up. We've got the cruise control, speedometer here on the left, paddle shifters as well. The high beam assist just there on the left as well. Digital dashboard is free from any warning lights other than fully fuel range, so nothing to worry about. We do also have the main infotainment screen just here in the centre. Currently showing the sat nav, but again plenty more features on here. If we go through them, we have the media, so if we click onto media, you've got the radio stations and the other media options here which we can scroll through. We've got the phone connectivity for phone calls. Onto the apps, you'll find a range of different apps that are installed. Go over to the left and we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Onto the main menu, if you go onto the car settings, you'll find we do have the interior ambient lighting, plenty of different colour options to go through. It runs across the dash just here and also across the doors. Looks really nice at night time. We do have the intelligent safety, making it a safe vehicle to drive. Further down you find the climate control. We do have the dual zone for the front, heated seats and also ice cold air conditioning, all working as it should do. Some storage space down here with the two cup holders. We also have the automatic gearbox which has the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and quickly switch through the different drive modes just like so. Into reverse and the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into park by pressing P, you'll then find the electric handbrake and also the auto hold button. Finally, the armrest here in the centre, which can be opened up for more storage. That's all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes through a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching.